Good morning, Cheryl, Donnie Connor, Remote Monitoring and Controls. I wanted to send you a brief video this morning of a tank solution we have that I think is going to be very helpful to you logistically and in manpower as far as you getting rid of your gaugers this coming year. This is an economical solution that I think you could afford to put in every tank and micromanage everything from the office there. This would allow your truckers to know exactly when a tank needs to be pulled. It would give you several different alerts. It would let you know when the tank is being pulled. It'll give you GPS location. It gives you documentation that you can add to the site directly. And this is the device here. This takes literally 5 minutes to put in. We would install this for you in each and every tank or tank farm that you require. It has an interactive dashboard, which I'd love to demo to you a little bit more in detail, but it gives you all your active tanks, all tanks that require maintenance. It tells you all your tanks that are alarm free, all tanks that would have high or critical high alarms, or ones that did not report in. It's very detailed. It gives you a lot of information in a very short period of time. As you can see here, when I hover over that, that gives you every legend that would be for each tank in detail. So if we went to a tank and just strictly, let's find a good one here, clicked on that tank, on your portal it would come up and it would immediately give you the level of that tank, the temperature of that tank, the signal strength and battery percentage of our RTU. It would also tell you your alarm status, your maintenance schedule, and your inventory and your current inches. Also, one good thing about this is it learns as it goes. So depending upon the amount of barrels coming into that tank daily, it learns that you average this, so it can give you a days to capacity full, a days to alarm, a days to critical. So like for instance, this one right here tells you that you're at 179.1 inches. In 9.1 days, it will hit your first alarm. In 13.4 days, it will hit your critical, and it will be completely full in 17.7 days. So it's also a learning tool. The next major page that you would probably want to pay attention to is going to be your history page. And that page right here depicts the exact current or product level, your high and your critical high alarms. So you could set your high for your gauger to go out or your driver to go out and test it for the water percentage. And then within a day or two, it would be ready to pull, and you could schedule that. You can actually schedule it here, and your drivers can put in information on this side, which will add to the inventory as an ME, which is a manual entry. So it's very, very useful here. And you would set up your alarms, your service, and everything like that, and it's very, very quick. It also has a very, very detailed GPS map for locations. And it is very nice when you put this into the satellite sector, and you can see it in detail here, but it would show every site. And as you zoom into that site, it will actually clear up and bring you up to within 10 feet of that tank battery. Pretty nice setup here. I would like to go into detail with you on this. I'd like to invite you and your other managers and executives to my office here at 604 South Parkway. I can also show you other satellite solutions we have that would just give you alerts and details about the tank status. I think this would be a very useful tool for you in exiting your gaugers, but still allowing you to manage and control all the tanks out in the fields that you have. And provide you with a quick economic solution for that replacement. Look forward to hearing from you. I'm going to send you this in a YouTube link, and I appreciate your time. Thank you very much, Cheryl.